This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a working email or phone and the Xbox app or a browser. Once ready, start the account creation. Go to Account, Microsoft, .com and click Create Account, enter your email or phone, then pick a strong password. Make sure to choose a password you can remember but not obvious. This protects your Forza Horizon 5 progress and purchases. After entering details, accept the basic privacy options and continue to the verification step, so Microsoft can confirm it is really you. Once done with initial details, expect a verification code by email or SMS. Enter that code promptly. Next, enable two-step verification to prevent unauthorized access. This is important because Forza Progress syncs with your Microsoft account. Make sure to add a recovery email or phone number so you can regain access if you lose your password. Save backup codes in a secure place. These steps take a few minutes, but they stop account lockouts and protect purchases linked to Forza Horizon 5. Sign into the Xbox app on PC or your console using the Microsoft account you just created. Once signed in, open Forza Horizon 5 and follow any on-screen prompts to link profiles. Make sure to allow cloud saves and sync settings so your progress persists across devices. If Forza does not recognize the account, sign out and back in, then check your privacy settings to permit game sharing. If issues persist, reset your password or verify Microsoft Services status. This usually fixes authentication problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.